Hello, students. How are you? Hope you are fine at your homes. Myself, Amandeep, and I will be teaching you physics of 8th class. And today we are going to start our first chapter of physics, that is chapter number 15, force and pressure. So, in this part, we will discuss about the force, what is force, and after that, we will proceed to the next part of the chapter, that is the pressure. So in this video we will understand what is force. So let students, the force word you might have heard many times at your houses also, that we are applying some force on the ball, cricket ball, we apply some force to hit a 6 or 4, and also we apply some force in the opening door. So there are many examples of where we are applying forces, and we hear this word many number of times even in a single day. So, what is force? Like we are opening the door, riding a bicycle, lifting any object at our house. We have done number of times these kind of activities. So, in every case, we apply some force. So let us take one example more, that a ball is lying on the ground. It is in a rest position, and the boy with the orange jersey wants to send that ball to the red colored t-shirt boy. So what will he do? He will simply kick the ball, and the ball will reach to his friend. So what he do here? When he is kicking the ball, what he is doing? He is simply applying the force on the ball. So one more example let us take. The boy is trying to push the desk from one A position to B position. What will he do? He will simply push the desk from A position to the B position. So what he have done? He have applied some force. So this pushing the desk is also known as force. Even if we lift a pen from the table, that is lifting any object, that is also a force. That is, we are applying some force on the pen. So these are the few examples, like kicking the ball, pushing the desk, lifting any pen or any object from the bench, from any kind of place, that is the force. Even if we ride a bicycle, we are pedaling. But how we are doing pedaling, that is just because of the force. Even when we hit the nail with the hammer, that is also a force. So these are my other examples of the force that is applied. We apply force in number of things. So what we have concluded, students? So what we have concluded from the examples is that the force is a push or a pull applied on objects. Like we are applying some force on the ball, the boy was applying some force on the ball, and the ball got displaced from the boy with the orange t-shirt to the red boy t-shirt. So that is, he applied some force on the ball. And in the other example also, there was interaction between the boy and the desk, that is, the push was there. So we have concluded that force is a push or a pull, जो रेस्ट वाली चीज़ को मोशन में लेके आ सकता है, एंड इवन जो मोशन में चीज़ है उसको रोक भी सकता है. क्लियर?